Welcome children in bio class. Children, I am going to explain you diffusion. Diffusion is the free movement of molecules of a substance from the region of their higher concentration to the region of their lower concentration. There is diffusion of molecules of solute, solvent, gas or liquid. Here one example has given, that is the diffusion of molecules of solid. In the beaker, this is a beaker, and in this beaker water has taken. Now crystal of potassium permanganate is dropped. So where crystal of potassium permanganate has dropped, there this crystal will dissolve. There is high concentration of molecules of potassium permanganate. But other side you see, there are low concentration of molecules of potassium permanganate. Molecules of potassium permanganate move from the region of their higher concentration to the region of their lower concentration. In this way, slowly and slowly, the molecules are going to move, and ultimately throughout the liquid molecules have diffused. So molecules of potassium permanganate distributed uniformly throughout the water. So this distribution of the molecules of potassium permanganate throughout the water is by the process of diffusion. So children, you studied in the diffusion the molecules of gas, molecules of solutes or liquid move from the area of their higher concentration to an area of lower concentration. It is a passive random movement which occurs when there is difference in the concentration. This difference in the concentration is also known as diffusion gradient. There is no energy required for the movement of the molecules. So we can say no energy expenditure takes place in diffusion. Diffusion may be from one part of the cell to another. It may be from one cell to another cell, or it may be over a short distance. Diffusion takes place through a membrane. The cell membranes are permeable to both the gases, oxygen and carbon dioxide. So they are able to diffuse. Diffusion is more rapid in gases than in liquid. So children, you have to know what is the importance of diffusion here. By the process of diffusion, water molecules diffuse. There is the diffusion of mineral, nutrients. In the soil water is high concentration of minerals, but in the root hair is of low concentration. Therefore, water molecules and minerals diffuse into the cell through the cell membrane. There is diffusion of other materials due to the concentration gradient. So, you see the smell of the flower diffuse so that insects are attracted towards the flower for pollination. Children, you have to learn in the diffusion. The molecules move from the region of their higher concentration to the region of their lower concentration. And movement of molecules will continue until the molecules are uniformly distributed. There are biological significance of diffusion. By the process of diffusion, plants are taking minerals from the soil. There is diffusion of substances from one cell to another cell or within the cell also.